office were looking over the work yesterday, and apparently we're having a problem with how to use this answer sheet and how to use these strips. So I'm going to go over them with you very quickly. This side over here you'll see is the worksheet. This is where it reteaches the stuff that I talked about in my lesson yesterday, and that is how we use these big strips. Now I'm going to ignore the strips that are bigger than 1 because we're not in 2nd grade anymore. So we're going to go down here to the problem. So the first problem is 3.5 plus 1.5. So up here we're talking about 3.5. Okay? And then, wrong one. Plus 1.5. So, how many halves are there in 3.5? Well, this is a half. So we have 1/2, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to fill in this box. So 3 and 1/2 is 1/2. And on this one, 1.5, how many halves do we have? We have 1/2. So we're going to fill in this box. So the answer would look like this: 3 and 1/2 plus 1 and 1/2 equals, well, 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 1/2 plus 1/2. You can see that makes a whole. This piece and this piece make one whole. So that means this is going to be 5. That's what I expected to see. So I'm going to do one number. I'm going to go and do number, let's do number 2, since it's the next one in line here. So the problem is 2 and 5/8 plus 4 and 3/8. So this first one is, how many 8s are there? There are 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to fill those in with a color. I'm just picking columns randomly, it doesn't really matter. And then the bottom one, how many 8s do we have? We have 3 8s. So I could pick these 3, but if I think about it, I have 3 over here. And that's going to make a better picture. So we're going to fill in those 3. So the answer is going to be 2 and 5/8 plus 4 and 3/8 equals, well, 2 plus 4 is 6. And if you look at the picture, we have those and then those, and that makes a what? A whole. So this would be 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So that's what I expect you to do. So let's go ahead and take another shot at these. Be sure to use the answer sheet. I'm going to post this answer sheet as well so you can have it to look at while you're practicing your work. Thanks. Good luck.